Hello guys, in this video, we will explain how to change, know, and retrieve your Gmail account password. Even if you do not have a phone number, even if you forgot it, the way is simple. All you have to do is the steps explained in this video. As usual, before explaining, thank you very much to everyone who supports me, and thank you from the heart. If you watched the video and subscribed to the channel and shared the video and pressed the like button, now let's go to the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to go to your Gmail account. If it is open on the phone, then click on the Gmail profile icon, then click on Manage Your Account on Google. Then you scroll this bar like this until you find the security word, then click on Security. Then here, you will find the password. Click on it. After clicking on the password, enter your phone code to protect you, which is the time for the next step. The next step, my friend, there as you can see, you write a new password. Do not write the old password because you forgot it. Just write the new password and rewrite it at the bottom, and you will get the password, a new secret, by clicking on Save. And congratulations, and now your Gmail account password has been recovered. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. For any inquiries, problems, or suggestions, write them in the comments, and we will meet in an upcoming video.